Yo, crypto revelers and future legends. Check this wallet. That ain't just digital foam. That's a keg-sized stash of soul, all brewed through clever plays. How'd I get this party started? Not by sipping on diluted opportunities, but by distilling pure profit. If you're tired of flat returns and ready to get intoxicated by success, you've RSVP'd to the right event. I'm about to pour out the entire concoction for launching meme coins that absolutely rage. No mixers. Let's get this celebration underway. Alright, let's be real. If pumpfun is still your go-to spot for coin launches, you're basically drinking lukewarm beer, fam. That platform is an absolute chaotic dive, a constant spill of new tokens that get served and then immediately forgotten or rugged. Trying to get your project any real attention there? It's like trying to hear your friend in a mosh pit. The VIPs have long since bounced from that scene. It's now mostly a sticky mess of regret. For top-shelf gains, a more exclusive venue is crucial. So, where are the real ballers popping champagne? Radium, no question. This is where premium meme coins make their grand entrance and truly get the party lit. You'll notice fewer, more curated launches, which means projects with genuine substance, impressive liquidity, and a real shot at hitting the A-list of top performers. The crucial difference? Radium typically requires some technical skill, a sort of bouncer ensuring quality, which naturally keeps out the endless stream of low-effort crashers. This cultivates an atmosphere where a well-crafted and strategically launched coin can really own the night and attract serious capital. But I'm about to hook you up with the ultimate VIP connection, pumpfun.io. This incredible platform is your direct, no-hassle entry to launching on Radium, completely bypassing any need for complex coding. Pumpfun.io demystifies the entire token deployment process, transforming it into a few remarkably simple, intuitive clicks. This is your express pass to getting your coin listed where the real party is. No technical headaches involved. First things first, your coin needs an iconic visual, a logo that's instantly recognizable and ready to cause a stir. For this adventure, we're creating Drunk Panda. Think a hilariously wobbly panda, maybe clutching a bamboo shoot like a microphone, ready to drop some fire. Something fun, shareable, and undeniably party-ready. Fire up Canva. Set your canvas to the 125 by 125 pixels dimension. Design your Drunk Panda emblem. Ensure it's playful and eye-catching, then save that graphic. Your coin's brand vibe, ready to unleash. This is an absolutely essential first toast. Time to get Drunk Panda onto the blockchain dance floor using pumpfun.io, and the beauty of this platform? No direct wallet connection for the token creation itself. That means top-shelf security for your main reserves. Okay, token name, Drunk Panda. Symbol, Drunk PND. Catchy and full of character. Tokenomics. See that 1 billion supply? That's the industry standard for a launch that's aiming to make a splash. Leave it precisely as is. Description. For this, I'll just paste in my pre-generated description to keep the good times rolling. Now upload that wild Drunk Panda logo we just designed. Whale metadata. Make absolutely certain this is enabled. It's a major sign of transparency and professionalism to serious investors and helps build that crucial initial trust. Definitely keep this active. Social links. You can populate these if you have an established online crew, but for a swift and potent launch, I generally choose to bypass this. Radium's own ecosystem provides powerful reach. Now, the open bar of legitimacy. Revoke authorities. Listen very carefully. Revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, and revoke metadata update authority. All three of these critical settings must be switched on. This is your unbreakable commitment to the partygoers. No possibility of new tokens being created out of nowhere. No ability for you to arbitrarily freeze anyone's assets. And no altering the coin's fundamental characteristics after it's in the wild. This is what distinguishes reputable projects from potential party fouls. Next up, pumpfun.io's intelligent design. Paste your personal Solana wallet address right here. This is the designated wallet where your newly minted Drunk PND tokens will be delivered. Incredibly secure, as your main wallet remains completely isolated during this creation process. I'm inputting my address now. Click Create Token. Pumpfun.io will then display a unique Solana address. This address is for the small Solana minting fee. Copy it, head to your wallet, and send the SOL. Crucial warning. Do not close the pumpfun.io page after you have sent the fee. Allow it a few moments, 10, 20, perhaps 30 seconds, for the blockchain to confirm and execute the mint. If you close the page prematurely, the transaction might not complete. Just let it finalize, and the panda is officially partying. Token created successfully. Pumpfun.io now shows your official Drunk Panda token contract address. Copy that. Drunk PND is now officially on the Solana blockchain. A quick verification on SolScan confirms it. Minted and ready to make some noise. Now, let's get it to the main stage. A token without a market is like a party with no guests. Let's get Drunk Panda into the Radium trading scene. From pumpzone.io, click Create Liquidity Pool, or navigate directly to Radium. Connect your wallet. For the base token, paste the Drunk PND contract address we just secured. Symbol, Drunk PND. Name, Drunk Panda. Add and then select it. Your full 1 billion Drunk PND supply should be visible. We're going to deploy 900 million into the liquidity pool to get the festivities started. Quote token will be Solana. Max out your available SOL for this liquidity, but ensure you retain about 0.2 SOL to cover Radium's pool creation fee. It's typically indicated. This SOL is your foundational capital that makes the market buzz. For the fee tier, 2% is the proven and effective choice. All systems go, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. And just like that, Drunk Panda is officially live and ready to get wild on Radium. Now that Drunk Panda is live on Radium with active liquidity, it's time to watch the madness unfold. Trust me, every new token on Radium attracts immediate attention from the thirstiest degens. Time to chart our newly minted party animal. Grab your Drunk PND address from pumpzone.io or SolScan. Head directly to Dex Screener. Here's a quick method. Open any coin's chart on Dex Screener, then navigate to your browser's URL bar and simply paste your Drunk PND contract address over the existing one. Hit enter. And cheers, your live Drunk Panda chart appears in all its glory. You'll likely see some instant miner trades. Those are just the network bots warming up the dance floor, perfectly standard. We're on the lookout for those substantial organic buy orders from real market partiers. Hold my bamboo. What just crashed this party? Our first major buy order for Drunk Panda just hit. A significant round of SOL just got poured in. You can see the liquidity pool instantly fill up and grow. That's the wild celebration we were looking for. This is legendary status. Another wave of powerful buys just stormed in, even more potent this time. Drunk Panda is clearly the life of the crypto party, and investors are joining the conga line of buys. Look at that market cap begin to expand wildly. This is the sheer thrill of a successful launch, watching the market embrace your creation with open arms and wallets. Absolutely bonkers. A third massive capital injection just hit the Drunk Panda order book, like a champagne supernova. The situation is rapidly escalating into a full-blown rager of buying activity. The fear of missing out is undeniably contagious, and the upward momentum is intense. This is precisely the explosive market debut we meticulously engineered and hoped for. Drunk Panda has had an epic night, painting the charts with impressive green like a true artist. Now for the grand finale, securing those party profits and heading to the afterparty with a fat wallet. It's time to call a cab for your gains. Head back to your Radium portfolio, ensure your wallet is properly linked, and click on the Standard tab. Identify your Drunk Panda LP position, then hit that little minus icon. We're withdrawing the entire stash, every last drop. Max out that slider to 100%. Take a moment to appreciate the Solana value you're about to transfer to your personal wallet. Looks good, right? Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction when your wallet prompts and let the blockchain finalize it. That's how you convert a freshly launched meme into a tangible Solana, holding in your own private reserve. This particular strategy has proven highly effective. Always remember, in the crypto game, speed and initiative are often rewarded. The early adopters usually secure the most significant gains, while those who wait may find the opportunity diminished. A precise setup and decisive action are your best allies. Vital disclosure, this video is created strictly for educational and illustrative purposes. I am not a qualified financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently speculative and carries a high degree of risk, including the potential loss of principal. Your personal investment results may vary considerably. I maintain no financial ties or endorsements from pumpzone.io or Radium. I'm merely sharing a method that has demonstrated current efficacy. However, it is essential to recognize that such profitable strategies within the crypto market can be very time-sensitive. The landscape is subject to constant and rapid change. If this approach interests you, conduct your own thorough due diligence and consider acting with alacrity. These types of lucrative opportunities can dissipate unexpectedly. Don't remain a passive observer. Smash that like, subscribe for more advanced strategies, and may your crypto ventures be exceptionally profitable. Until next time.